India Inc. says the budget is clearly inflationary and will hurt industrial growth, especially since for the past 12 months investment has been on a hold. But it looks like now with this budget, India Inc. fears that that is not going to see a quick recovery.
I think RBI has already shown its hand. Unless inflation comes down, interest rates are not going to come down in a hurry. They've done a big reduction in terms of CRR, so liquidity is already there. Interest rates will only really begin to come down if inflation comes down. So that is much more about monetary policy, and there's obviously nothing about that in the budget.
The downside is the service tax seems to be, from what one has read, he didn't mention the negative list, seems to be in, and therefore it's a 12% hike in healthcare. Because the costs will get passed on. I don't think any healthcare company can absorb that. So it's a health inflationary budget in that sense.
The manufacturing sector is supposed to be, we make that correction, it's supposed to be the growth engine. Today, it is not the growth engine. I think there are one or two things. For example, coal import duty has been brought to nil. That should help to some extent. The fact that the sunset clause for power industry in terms of tax exemptions has been extended by a year, I think those are some of the positive features.
Still ahead.